In this new category, we're going to learn how to express ourselves when we're not feeling well. Let's start with headache. 头疼 Please repeat after me. 头疼头疼头疼头疼 Let's say it a little bit faster. 头疼头疼头疼 Practice makes perfect. Let's review what we have learned so far. Review 复习复习 Ouch 哎呦哎呦 Headache 头疼头疼 Well done 好样的 See you tomorrow 明天见I've spent lots of time, energy, and efforts into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina. No boring grammar. Or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.